I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing an intermediate-ish, depending on speed, it could be advanced as well, technique exercise involving cramp rolls and paradiddles, shufflediddles, kind of things on quad. So it's actually this exercise that naturally takes you around the Anqua area. So it's pretty cool, I think, but you know, I made it, so I'm a little biased. But I really like this exercise. My students really like it too, because it's the same rhythm all the way around, but you get to express that rhythm with different steps. I love stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you're not already subscribed, do the thing. Okay, so it starts with cramp roll ball change, and this is E and a 1 and 2. So you're starting as a grace note into that 1. Da 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 da. E and a 1 and 2, and a 3 and 4. E and a 5 and 6, and a 7 and 8. So you start the cramp roll before 1, and the last part of the cramp roll, that last heel, that's your 1. Okay? Just to set the rhythm. So you have cramp roll ball change. Every single part of this starts with cramp roll ball change. So you're going to get great practice with your cramp rolls. So cramp roll ball change, and then the first part is to the front, so it's paradiddle ball change. So E and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Paradiddle ball change. So that goes. Okay, and then the other thing I love about this exercise is that it naturally forces you to do right and left within the exercise. It's not a, okay, now let's do the left. It's literally right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Love it. So, E and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. So let's just do on the right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So the ball change always has some space in it. So let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, now let's try it on the left foot. E and a 5 and 6 and a 7 and 8. So it's going to force you to practice those left cramp rolls. And I love it. Okay, so left side, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. Good, right to left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Okay, so that's the first part. Second part, you replace the paradiddle with a shufflediddle, which brings you to the side motion. Everything else stays exactly the same. So instead of a paradiddle, you're doing a shufflediddle. Shuffle, step, heel. It's the only change. So let's try that right and left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, shuffle, step, ball change. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. Okay, let's do the first part and the second part back to back. Okay? So front and then side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome, so that's front and that's side. Now for the back, you're like, okay, there's a paradiddle, that's front, shufflediddle, that's side. What are we gonna do to the back? Toe, heel, step, heel. So you're gonna go toe, heel, step. So that's the only thing that's not like its own step, I guess. Toe, heel, step, heel, and then ball change. The hardest part is timing the toe and the heel to be even and have space between them, because that can be something that you kind of just like, you know, you can try to do them at the same time by accident, happens all the time. So make sure you make space in between the toe heel and then the step heel. So you're gonna go. But don't ball change weirdly like I just did. Let's try that together. Toe heel, step heel on both sides. So right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, ball change. Okay, so toe heel, keep trying to do toe, heel, step, heel backwards. Don't do that, it messes you up. So step next to you, and then ball change. I haven't done my yoga yet for the day, so I'm not centered with right and left, but it's okay. Or front and back, right and left, whatever. All right, so that part one more time, and then we'll add it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, good, told you it's really, really hard to keep that toe heel and step heel even. But it's such a good practice. Okay, so front, side, back. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, that's a lot, right? I was gonna say it as we did it, but then I realized that I don't want to shout over it, and you probably can't hear me anyway. So I wanted you to be able to hear authentically what it's supposed to sound like. The last part, you just go back to the side. Nothing changes, it's just the shuffle diddle one again. That's it. You just go back to the side. So you have paradiddles, shuffle diddles, toe heel, step heels, shuffle diddles. That's the whole exercise. All right, so let's try the whole thing without music, and then we'll do it with music, okay? Let's do it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and then 3, 1, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, whew, that rhythm is so satisfying. It's also very difficult. I love this exercise because it is so difficult to keep it even. Like the cramp roll's hard enough on its own, and then you add the toe heel, step heel, and then you gotta remember which direction you're going. Such a challenge, but I think exercises that are challenges like this are so good for us as tap dancers. So let's try it with some music so that we have a base to stay even with. That's why I love to do this to music. So let's try it with music, let's just have some fun, see how it goes. So, da 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 da. Okay. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning this exercise and doing it with me today. I, again, absolutely love exercises that force you to practice both sides because we all do it. We all get lazy and don't practice our left side. Or if you're a lefty, you don't practice your right side as much. I am absolutely guilty of that as a jazz dancer and ballet dancer. I just don't practice my left turns as much as I should. But exercises like this force you to because it's embedded in it. So I'm going to endeavor this year to make more exercises for my Tuesday technique exercises that naturally make you practice left or your awkward side. Whichever side. I don't say good side and bad side. I'd say comfy side and awkward side. Because good and bad is A, so subjective, and B, just not very nice things to say even to yourself. But saying something like comfortable side and awkward side, there's some truth to that. My right side is my comfortable side. My left side, oh, that's my awkward side. Can I still do it? Can I still be good at it? Yes. Will it feel awkward? Yes. So I much prefer those terms. If you want to adopt those terms into your classrooms, that would be really, really great for your students. And I love those terms because, again, there's no good, there's no bad, there's no best, there's no worst. It's just comfy and awkward. So hopefully you've really, really enjoyed this exercise. If you have and you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and join the tap fam. We've got technique exercises like this and all this personality. I don't know what is up with me today. Like I said in another video, it's because I've been like cooped up at home because dance hasn't started back yet because it's still winter break, and I have had no one to talk to all day while Sean's at work. So I'm talking to you and you're getting all this personality. So we have technique exercises like this of all levels. I've got choreography tutorials where you can learn a dance to like a song that you like or a timeless one, or even if you don't like it, you still get to learn the dance. I have step tutorials where you just learn a step. We've got challenges and vlogs, and I have a studio tour that is going to be like a this room studio tour that is going to be up on my sister channel, which I do with Sean. It's called Safety Scissors and Duct Tape. We have a whole house tour, and it does include where the magic happens. And it also includes a music studio tour because some of you guys know I'm also a musician. Some of the covers that I use for these videos I do myself, so I show you kind of my space for that and my vlog space and stuff. So definitely check that out. Subscribe to that channel. We have some fun over there. But subscribe to this one because I'm almost at that next milestone. So make sure you subscribe to this channel because once I hit that milestone, I can start offering you more. And that is the entire point of this channel, to give you free tap dance resources, classes, tutorials, advice. I've got some really, really cool vlogs coming up. Definitely subscribe for those for sure. Things about being a professional tap dancer, things about like how to get into the world of creating your own company, that kind of stuff. So make sure that you subscribe for those vlogs. I'm very excited to make them. And yeah, if you're already subscribed, cool. That means you just hit that button. I saw you. Good job. Then also hit the thumbs up, because that doesn't just help my channel, that helps all tap dance channels, because it tells the YouTube algorithm that people love tap dance. So we want to help United Taps, we want to help Operation Tap, we want to help Hillary Marie, I think it's called iTap Online, we want to help Shelby Kaufman, we want to help all these tap dance channels grow so that they can offer us more. I take United Taps tutorial classes all the time. And we want to be able to see more of that, so telling YouTube that people like it will encourage more people to tap dance, more people to create content. So definitely hit the thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.